Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm and wondered, how does that beautiful arc of colors appear in the sky? Rainbows might seem magical, but they're actually a fascinating result of science. Today, we're diving into what causes rainbows, why we see the colors in that specific order, and a few fun facts about rainbows that might surprise you. To start, let's break down what light is. Sunlight, or white light, might look colorless, but it's actually a combination of all colors in the visible spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Imagine it like a hidden rainbow that we don't usually see, but it's there all the time. So, how does this hidden rainbow reveal itself? It happens because of three main processes: refraction, reflection, and dispersion. When sunlight passes through water droplets in the air, the light first refracts, or bends, as it enters each droplet. Think of it like a car hitting a bumpy road. The path of the light wave bends as it goes from the air into water, which has a different density. Inside the droplet, the light then reflects off the back of the droplet. It's like bouncing off a mirror, but in this case, the mirror is a tiny, round water droplet. This bounce sends the light back toward the front of the droplet. Finally, the light exits the droplet, refracting again as it leaves and dispersing into its individual colors. This dispersion happens because each color of light bends at a slightly different angle when it passes through water. Red light bends the least, while violet bends the most. This separation of colors is what gives us the familiar spectrum we see in a rainbow. Now, why do rainbows appear as arcs? The shape of a rainbow is all about the angle of light entering our eyes. Each droplet reflects light back at a precise angle of about 42 degrees. Because of this angle, we see the colors spread out in a circular pattern, but since the ground cuts off the bottom half, we only see a rainbow as a half circle or arc. If you were high up in the sky, like in an airplane, you might even see a full circle rainbow. Have you ever seen a double rainbow? That happens when the light reflects twice inside each droplet before it exits. This second reflection creates a fainter, secondary rainbow outside the main one, with the colors in reverse order: red on the inner edge and violet on the outer edge. It's like a bonus rainbow, a little science surprise in the sky. Here's another fun fact: rainbows don't actually exist in a single spot in the sky. They depend entirely on your viewing angle relative to the sun and the raindrops. So, technically, no two people see the exact same rainbow. To sum it up, rainbows are caused by sunlight refracting, reflecting, and dispersing inside water droplets. This process separates the white light into the spectrum of colors we know and love, forming that beautiful arc in the sky. Next time you see a rainbow, you'll know there's more to it than just rain and sunlight. There's a world of science in each droplet. If you enjoyed learning about rainbows, don't forget to subscribe for more science explainers, and let us know in the comments, what other mysteries of nature would you like us to explore?